Hi students, here is just a little guide to my website if you get stuck. So if you're in grade 1, you're going to click on this button right here. And what it will do is it will take you to your digital task card 1. So you can scroll down and your first activity is to watch this video. To watch this video, you press the button and it will play for you. For the next activity, it says, where do you live? Use this website to draw your habitat. So after watching this video and gaining knowledge on all the different habitats, you need to think about where you live. Do you live in a house or do you live in an apartment? Do you live near the beach or by some trees? You're going to click here and it's going to take you to an online painting website. What you can do is you can now press these buttons and you can choose different colors and you are going to draw your house just like that. You can choose different colors via here. You can just color it in just like that. You can use crayons or painting or pencils, whatever you like to do. So that's my house. Now going back to the website, you're going to scroll down and watch another video. This is a bit more detailed on animal habitats. So you can press play to watch that video and then you're going to choose one animal that lives on the land or in the sea. So maybe an animal that is on the land is a lion or a cat or a bird. And if you are choosing the sea, you could choose a shark or a fish or a seahorse. And you're going to use the same painting website to draw their habitat. So either in the land or in the sea. After that, now you know all about animals and their habitats, you're going to play this game. So it's going to take you to this website and you press launch activity. It's going to come up with this and you can choose any of the habitats that you would like to play and it's going to give you instructions on how to play that game. After that, you'll be all finished. Great!